bright, isn't it? Let's see. Let's see. Oh, that's better. Okay. I am going to show you, like, I am going to show you something so cute. Like, I am over the moon about this bag I'm going to show you. Okay? Okay, so hello. So I am going to show you the makeup skincare starter kit. So this is for those of you, excuse me. Oh, hold the phone. Oh, let me back up. I'm getting way ahead of myself. My name is Jackie Lawrence, and I am here to show you how to save some money on makeup, okay? So I'm gonna show you this $99 makeup skincare kit. It's got $300 in product in it, and it's only 99 bucks, okay? Only 99 bucks. And I cannot wait to show you this to you because the bag, I am obsessed with the bag. So if you're tuning in, say hello. If you have questions throughout as I show you all the contents in this, please ask away, okay? So first and foremost, when you get the kit, it comes in like this box. How fun was it to walk up and see this box? It also comes in, oh, I have to put it back together, hang on. This amazing, oh, I'm just gonna show you this part. It comes in this beautiful, beautiful, shiny, I mean, I'm a girl for good packaging. Hi, Briseda. I'm a girl for great packaging, okay? So it comes in this beautiful, shiny, purple, huge box. So, let me show you what it looks like. Are you ready for this? Because I'm obsessed with this bag. Ready? La 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 la. You guys, is this not the cutest bag? It's, first of all, it's purple. It's like a metallic purple, okay? It's got black handles. And I want you to know that it also comes with, let me pull this out. I should attach this. It comes with this really cute handle, like shoulder strap, I should call it. So I'm gonna attach it real quick so you can kind of see that. Comes with a cute shoulder strap. I travel a lot, you guys, and I am like obsessed with this bag. Okay, so here's the little shoulder strap it comes with. And it's adjustable. It's got a little belt on it. Isn't that cute? It's got a little belt on it, so it's adjustable. Love this bag. I'm gonna show you the inside of the bag too, okay? But I bet you wanna know what's in it. All right, you're like, I wanna see the $300 worth of makeup. I'm gonna show you. So here's what comes in it. Ready? I'm gonna empty out all the contents of this bag for you that you get. Are you ready? And some of the products I'm gonna show you are mine so that you can kind of see what they look like because I don't wanna open up. This is somebody else's bag and I don't wanna open up their stuff. Are you ready? Let's do this. $99, $300 in makeup. What else do you need to know? My website's in the link, so if you want this bag, you just click on the website and you click join, okay? And then you get the bag. I'm gonna give you lots of detail on this because I know I'm gonna have a lot of questions and hopefully I'll answer most of them for you without you even asking. All right, so this is what you get. 3D mascara, okay? This is our signature product. I use this all the time. I have it on today. Sorry. Ooh. 3D mascara. You get that. There's more. You also get Epic Mascara. So this is that one-step daily mascara I also wear every day. You get that. You get the Lash Serum. That's what this is. And that's what helps your lashes look longer, stronger, fuller, naturally. Okay, so this is a lash serum, like a growth serum. You also get, let's see. Oh, okay. So all month long, I've been showing you makeup palettes, right? Okay, so they are gonna send you, this is an empty makeup palette. Oh, but they're filling it for you. So you get this reusable makeup palette, which means you can pop colors in and out. And here are the colors you get. Ready? All right, you get Optimistic, which, hold on, I'll tell you what the color description is. I dropped my little cheat sheet. You get Optimistic, which is a metallic ivory, okay? You get Fervent, which is one of my favorite colors, and that's a matte burgundy. I already know that. I don't even have to look because I use it all the time. You get Slick, okay, which is a rose shimmer, okay? And these go pop right into your little pellet. And then you also get Agile, which is a mauve maroon satin. So pretty. So you get 4 shadows and you get them right, you pop them right into your little guy right here, okay? Okay, so there's more. There's a lot more. Oh, there's a lot more. Okay, you get lipstick and the color Lovesick. Now I show you this, but I want you to know it looks really red, but it's not. Watch, I'm gonna put it on for you. This is mine. It just gives your lip color and it has like a little tiny shimmer to it, just barely any. Okay, it's the perfect color for summer. Okay, this is a great color. So you get lip gloss. You also get Splash liquid lipstick in the color Stubborn. Okay, which is like a reddish color. It's like a reddish pink color. I love it. And you know I love liquid lipstick. You also get, excuse me, black eyeliner, black pencil eyeliner, okay? Oh, forgot this guy. You get a brush. Let me show you my brush. So you get this angled sponge brush, okay? So you get, it's a 2-for-1 brush. So that comes in there as well. Oh, you ready for this? You get a full-size jar of exfoliating mask. Okay, exfoliating mask, a full-size jar. This is $65 by itself. Oh, or is it? Or is it $49? It's $49 all by itself, okay? You get one of these. Oh, there's more, there's more. I'm gonna show you the inside of the bag too because I'm obsessed with this bag. Oh, I forgot. You also get Splurge Cream Shadow in the color Tenacious. And, oop, that's not the one. Hang on. Here it is. This is mine. I want you just opening it so you can see. Isn't that pretty? It's like this coppery brown shimmer. Okay, so you get that as well. Yep. There's more. You get, these are every single shade we have of liquid foundation. And you get sample of primer as well. Okay, so these are samples. So you get every single shade and 4 samples of face primer. Love that. Okay, so I already showed you that you get a full size of the exfoliating mask. Well, they'll also send you a sample size. So you can maybe give this to one of your best girlfriends to try it out. You get a detox mask sample, which is my favorite mask. Okay, so that comes in there as well. And it gives you instructions and a little information on it as well in these little cards. You get an oil control mask, which is great for summer coming. Okay, so that comes in there as well. Hello. Okay, and then there's some odds and ends in here. There are a little keychain, like a little key charm you get, which I love. You also get the catalog. Okay, this is our brand new catalog, so you can kind of thumb through the rest of the products in here. I haven't even seen this new catalog, it's that new. And then you'll get some information cards, okay? Just some information welcome cards on the company, the products, etc. You also get a coupon. All of that for 99 bucks. Oh, the bag. Oh my gosh, let me show you the bag. You guys, I'm a freak about bags. I never was. I don't know why. You know what it is? I'm a freak about specific bags. I'm a freak about bags that I can carry my laptop in and that I could carry like stuff in that have compartments. I love a compartment bag. So I'm gonna show you the inside of this bag so you can kind of see what it looks like because it has to have, for me, a bag isn't good unless it's got compartments for my stuff. So in the bag, first of all, it zips on the top, okay? So you can keep it nice and, all your contents nice and secure. So, and you know I travel a lot, so this is awesome. So when I put my bag on the side going through the security, my stuff doesn't fall out. Okay, and then in the bag, you get, it has a compartment for your laptop right here. Okay, so this holds the laptop down. Can you see? Back goes your laptop, and then it's got a compartment behind where your laptop goes, and I would think this is good for like your wires, you know, your charger, your mouse, whatever you want to put there. But that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so that holds my laptop in. And then on the sides of the bag, it's got like, I know that's gonna be where my cell phone goes. So it's got little compartments on each side of the bag. Okay, and then of course, on the other side, it's got little, like you could put, I don't know, your wallet there, or you could put your cell phone there. That'd be another place for your cell phone. I like to put my mints there. I put my tampons there. Shh. Okay, and you can put your, there's like little, it's hard to see, but like a pen can go here, or if you want to carry your mascara, whatever. They're like little slots for pens. Or, hey, your lip gloss can go there. Yeah, your lip gloss can go there. Okay, so that is, look at how cute this bag is. Do you not just love this bag? I love this bag. Okay, and it's also got a shoulder strap. So for those of you that want to carry it on your shoulder. So cute! Okay, so I'm gonna review what's in the bag. I'm gonna put it all back in, and then I'm gonna tell you the details on this, the questions that I know you're wondering. So let's put it all back in quickly. Catalog. Okay, you get the oil control mask, you get the detox mask, the excuse me, exfoliating mask. Those are all samples. You also get a sample of every single foundation plus 4 primer samples. Voila. Little keychain, little key charm. Full size exfoliating mask. You get the cream shadow in the color Tenacious. You get the lip gloss, which I have on, okay, and that color is Lovesick. You get liquid lipstick, okay, and the color Stubborn. You get black eyeliner pencil. You get a brush, which is this brush right here. It is a shader sponge brush. You will get a quad palette of eyeshadows, okay? So this is the palette they send you, and then you fill those suckers up with the shadows they give you. And these are the shadows. Well, you also get, there's more, the Esteem Lash Serum. Okay, that's the actual growth serum. You get the Esteem Lash Serum. You get Epic Mascara. Hello, that's the daily mascara that I use all the time. You've seen me put it on 100 million times. You also get the 3D mascara, okay? And that's the 3-step 3D Fiber Lash Mascara. Okay, do you wanna know what else you get? Free expedited shipping. So if you want this month, they're sending it out, free shipping and expedited. So in 3 days, 3 to 5 days, this bag's in your hands. Excuse me. So here's what you need to know. There are 3 ways to take advantage of this. All 3 ways are $99, okay? And you get all of that no matter what you do. You can get the kit of makeup and enjoy it, the fruit of all of that for your own self, and hoard it for yourself. Okay, you can hoard it for yourself and do nothing else than enjoy it. And there is no catch. There is no catch. There are no other fees associated with getting this kit. That was really important to me 4 years ago when I got the kit. There are no auto ship fees. There is no requirement for you to continue purchasing. Oh, but by the way, if you do purchase more product, you get 20% back on all future purchases. Hello, you're going to anyways because it's amazing makeup. So that's what's entailed, and that's where it can end for you. Take advantage of the deal if you're a makeup lover and go get yourself the kit. Your second option is to, hey, make a little bit of money on the side, okay? Because you know what's gonna happen, girlfriends? When you are wearing your unbelievable, amazing makeup, your friends are gonna ask where you got it. And what you do is this. The company is going to give you your own personal website. You don't have to do anything with it, but you can share it. So if your girlfriend, your bestie says, hey, I love your lashes, what are you doing? And you say, well, I'm using this mascara, and they say, well, I want some. Then you say, hey, well, you can get it off this website they gave me, and then you make a commission from that, okay? You can share it. That's optional, not mandatory, but you could make a few extra bucks on the side, okay? That's simple. That's option 2. Option 3 is you could do what I do and make a business out of it. So I help currently over 860 women run a business on social media with makeup. And they did the same thing that I did. They invested $99 and that's it. Like literally, I've never paid a dime more. 99 bucks. I didn't get all this when I first started. You guys are getting a steal. Okay, 99 bucks. You get all of that. And then if you are a business builder and you would like to make some money on the side, and it could be anything from making enough money to pay for a pedicure to making a significant income. I will show you what to do and hold your hand while you do it. So all you need to do is go to thicklonglashes.com, click on join, get yourself the kit, and then message me, let me know, hey, I'm just getting it for the great makeup. And I'd say, right on, girlfriend. Or you could say, hey, I'd love to make some money on the side, and then I'll help you out there too, okay? If you have, hi, Wendy. If you have further questions in regards to this, you just need to reach out to me, or you can comment below. I'm an open book. So ask me anything, and I will give you whatever it is that you need to know. And if I don't know it, I'll find out for you, okay? Okay, I have to go now. You guys have a wonderful day. I will see you soon. Ciao.